Hello everyone and welcome to this interesting video on Claude in Excel. I'll talk about 3 different use cases in this video. Claude is now integrated directly in Excel and you can use it safely, securely, and you can do wonders with this Claude. The 3 use cases which I have, you can create 2000 salary slips by just one single prompt. You can write 100 plus different personalized emails for every person via Claude in Excel. And third one, how to create a beautiful dashboard inside Claude, inside Excel with just one single prompt. This kind of dashboard which you see on the screen is prepared inside Excel, which was available with the help of Claude, just one single prompt. Let's begin with the first part, how to create different salary slips. You can see on my screen, I have a data which is payroll plus salary slips, a very simple data where I have name, designation, department, basic, HR and so on. So what I want to do is, there are approximately 1000 records in this data. So I have few questions about creating a salary slip. The first one is I want to calculate the PF, which is 12% of the basic salary, professional tax and loss of pay deduction for every employee, number one. Second, calculate the net pay for all the employees, gross minus all the deductions. Number three, generate a formatted salary slip for each employee, which is ready to share. And last one, flag any employee whose net pay is below 15,000, which is minimum wage check. These are the 4 pointers which I want to be done on this particular data. What I can do here is I can copy this prompt, go to this Claude in Excel and just paste this prompt over here. And what happens is within 4 minutes, okay, you see within 4 minutes, it will start doing its work. And at the end of 4 minutes, one by one, it will start creating all those salary slips. At the end of this 4 minutes, I'll have this 2000 salary slip. Why 2000? Because the data is available for 2000 employees. If I have 50,000 employees, it will create 50,000 salary slips just by simple prompt here. That's the first use case. The second use case I have data and people don't pay on time. Okay, so what I have done is I have written their name, the company name, email, city, outstanding amounts and the overdue dates. So what I want to do here is I want to send them emails. Can you see the days overdue column here? There are people who are not paying the amount after 20 days, 30 days, 40 days and so on. So what I've done is I have created a prompt here. The prompt is I will send them personalized emails everyone. Okay, the first one, write a unique payment reminder email for every client. If the payment is 1 to 30 days overdue, just write a polite and friendly tone. If 31 to 60 days overdue, then you write a firm and professional tone email. If it is 60 plus day overdue, then you write an urgent tone and mention some legal action. Each email must use first name, company, exact amount and due context. And give me the output as a table with the client name, subject and email body. That's it. These are 6 pointers which I want this Claude to do for me. Now what I can do is I can copy this prompt and I can directly paste into this Claude here. What will happen is within few minutes, it will create a new Excel sheet and it will create a separate personalized email for every person. And you can see on my screen, I have those 3 columns, client name, subject and the email body. And the email is so crystal clear, exactly to the point that I can just copy paste and send those 2000 people one by one, right? So you see, dear Shweta, this is a final notice regarding the seriously overdue balance of Metro Foods and all the details are mentioned. So within few seconds, I can get it generated quickly. The third use case I have used to create a dashboard. So I have some data kept into this sheet over here and you can see the same column name, Superstore data. And what I want is I want to create a dashboard for this data. See, I do not know how to write a prompt. So I went to Claude, you write a prompt for me. And I copied the prompt and now that same prompt I will be pasting here. And you can see one by one, a sales performance dashboard is prepared. Now this dashboard, if you see the prompt has many things that you need to create charts, you need to give the formatting, and all of them one by one are created. At the end of this few minutes, it doesn't do this activity in just 1 minute. It takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. And within 10 minutes, you can see a beautiful dashboard is prepared. So now this is the final output. So this is the fastest way of creating a dashboard with the help of Claude in Microsoft Excel. Now all the prompts are in the link in the description. Click on that link, copy the prompt and you can start using it. Installation of Claude is very simple. You can just go to Excel. You can just click on add-ins. In the add-ins part, you search for Claude. Just type Claude. You will get the Claude and you can just click on add button. that Claude add-in will be added into your Excel. And that's the simplest and the easiest way. I hope you have understood these 3 interesting case studies about Claude in Excel, and that's all for this video.